Hello friend, I hope you're doing great. So in this video I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC the official way. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. It's 100% free and comes with a lifetime supply of awesome tutorials. So let's get into it. The first thing you do is go to your browser and search Windows 11 download. Download the disk image. Click the drop down button and click Windows 11 download. Scroll down and click download now. Give it some time to open. Then choose the product language, which is, I'm going to go with English United States. You can choose any language that you are fluent with. Then click confirm. It's going to load. Also, you can check out my other video. You click 64-bit download, and that is the first step. That is how to download. After you finish, you extract. The next thing you want to do is press Windows plus R at the same time. Then type regedit. Type regedit. Like I'm doing. Type regedit. Click OK. Then navigate to the following folder and right click and click new DWORD 32-bit value. Then name the value allow upgrades with unsupported TPMOrCPU. Then name the value to 1. Then click OK. If you don't have this value, you do that. You name it to allow upgrades with unsupported TPMOrCPU. And that is all we had to do. Then you extract the Windows file. Then run setup as normal. You're going to give it some time to process. Okay. I'm going to give it some time. It's going to take a while. So I'm going to speed up this part. Are you having fun? Don't forget to subscribe.
Kick.
So when you reach at this part, it's going to bring a disclaimer, so you have to accept the liability that you are installing Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. But it's no problem because I already installed it and it's updating as normal. So I'm going to click why am I saying this. You click there, you click there, you're going to click there, then you're going to accept the disclaimer. You just click accept. It's going to run Windows 11 normal, so don't worry about that. Windows 11 is perfect. So click refresh. It's going to take a while. Also, I have another method on how to install Windows 11. They both work, so be sure to check out the video on my channel and also make sure you're subscribed and click refresh, and that is how you do it. That is how you install Windows 11 on your unsupported PC. And as you can see here, I have Windows 11 installed successfully, and here is it working perfectly. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.